Hello, it's Paul Case here. I'm sitting on a tractor in the barn. I'll let you know what it looks like in just a little bit. If I can get it to start, let's see what happens here. Very cold. Hadn't been wrong 2 or 3 days. Well, that's back this little jelly bean outside. I'll let you have a good look at it. I seen the auction bill where they had this tractor for sale or was going to sell it at an auction, and I wasn't able to go. But the guy that bought it was a trader, and I went over to his place to look at it, and I dealt with him and bought it. The only tractor I've ever seen in my life that would need 1, 2, 3, 4 tool boxes. And he said he'd run the numbers on it. It was probably a 1992 model. And so we got to looking at these back tires. You know, they're wore down pretty good. And right there, it's upside down. These tractors were made in England and probably shipped over here with no tires on them. And both of those back tires, it's going to be my guess, of the original tires from 1984, but the tractor's a 91 model. So they may have sat around a little while before they were actually put on a tractor. And besides 84, it didn't even become Case International until 86. If I'm not mistaken, it was 85 or 86. Anyway, it has a local sticker. The tractor was on a sale down at Seligman. Probably had been bought new and used on one farm all of its life so far. It's got a homemade top on the ROPS for a canopy that never was painted. And it has a little bung up spot on the hood. That's just fiberglass, and they broke this fiberglass piece. But other than that, and it does that starting blue smoking when it's cold like that, but it clears right up. Everything on it works, so I thought I'd see if I couldn't use it to do a little of my choring with and such around here. I gotta adjust the clutch on it. It's like all the way out to the end of the pedal, and I can't get used to it. But anyway, real sure what anybody else is dealing with right now, but I would just imagine in the last week we have had between 6 and 7 inches of rain here at the farm, just by what neighbors have told me. And I know there was spots in between here and Miami that was heavier than that. And so it's going to be a few days before doing any field work. I'm actually going to go do a little scouting on some ground, see how dry it is. I might be able to plant some oats in it. Just don't know. Don't look very promising I'm going to get any oats put in. I might as well. We're getting down here at the end of March, and I might as well grind what I've got for seed and feed it. Try to get ready to plant something else. Put some hay grazer in or something. So anyway, things are going good here at the farm. Greening up nicely. Cows are slowed down some on the hay eating whenever it's nice like this. And we're out of logs at the sawmill. He's sawing up the last 3 saw logs we had. Everything I got sitting there and over there is all firewood. So that's about enough for now. I will catch y'all on the next one.